Hey everybody, it's Mike, Pro Steel Products. Today's the day. So many of you have been waiting on the Gen 2 doors to come out. These are my tube doors. This is the premium set where we're going to have inserts. These doors are really strong. They're really heavy. I think they're the strongest door on the market. Got 3 horizontal bars that match the body line pretty much. This perforated steel has 1/2-inch holes, and they say it's like 48% open, so you get plenty of airflow. Still, it comes down a little bit, so it's easier to rock crawl. Got the same latch, the slam latch goes right in. I'm going to give you a close-up on all the things that come with this also. These doors, you can order the inserts at different colors. If I don't have the color listed, give me the RAL number or where you buy your powder, and I'll get it done for you. They're rubber edging all the way around it, stainless steel hardware throughout. All my doors will come with my patent pending stainless steel pins and the bronze bushings. I think it's a must. We tried doing the Gen 1 doors without selling those with it, and some people tried to use the nylon inserts and everything, and it just didn't work out. So every door being sold is going to have that pin set, the quick change door pin kit. And if you already have that pin kit, we'll get you $120 off the price, because that's what the stainless steel pins sell for, with bronze bushings. And also you get this piece of metal that's with the bronze bushings. This is the same kit. You just get a regular flaring tool, and this thing will fit right in there, okay? And you can hold it in place. You don't have to have it welded, but if you have a welder, just let me pick that up. All you got to do is run that in until it holds it in place, and just put a weld across there. So you can put that in there. I have a video that tells you how to do it. It's real simple. Once that bronze bushing is set in there, it won't come out. So you can take the doors in and off and not worry about the bushings falling out. So those bronze bushings, I put plenty of information on the internet of why I went with bronze. And this tool goes with every one of those. So you don't have to buy this tool off me. If you have a flaring tool, it'll work. Just go ahead and use it that way. But I'm going to carry you around, and I'm going to give you a close-up of everything that comes with these doors. And this is the premium door. I also have a standard tri-tube door, which it's going to be just the 3 bars across without the inserts and without the tabs to bolt them in. So it's just going to have the 3 bars across. These things are stout. They're alright, let me grab a hold of you, and I'm going to bring you in, and I'm going to show you close-ups of everything I'm talking about here. Alright guys, I got you in hand here. I'm going to try and roll this thing around so you can see everything. Here is your latch release. This little lever is real easy. Just reach over, pop it open, and there you go. Right here I wanted to show you, this is my striker bar. This here was the stock one right here, and it just bolted on, and you had your bumper stop right there. It was vertical and I needed horizontal, so I built my own. All you do is 2 bolts, those 2 cap screws right there, and put 2 bolts in here. I have a spacer, aluminum spacer. This is all stainless steel bolts, and it comes with this my own bump stop. So it will not rattle. You got a motor, if you try and just ease it shut, it'll bounce right back open. So give it a little bit of a slam, and it stays shut. So there's that. And up here in the front, these are my patent pending pins. If you notice, this is the patent part. it forces this pin to rotate with the door. There is no bushings in the door side, so this will not wear out anymore and get that dreaded door bounce. So let me open this up, and you'll see that the bushings are right in there, and the pin will turn with the door, and all the wear points will be on these pins and those bushings. It won't be on this door side hinge anymore. I do have these to put on the bottom. You just slide them right in that slot there. I don't run these. It's been 2 years. Never lost a pin. Never had a problem with it. But is it a good idea to put those in? Yeah, probably. But just telling you, we put slots in there instead. I used to have holes through there, but I got a bucket of drill bits in there, and they're all junk because these pins are so hard, it's hard to get a cobalt drill bit through there. I'd break 3 or 4 of them drilling one hole. So I was either going to have to raise the price of these or do something different, and what I come up with is just cutting a slot in there, and that's a lot easier to do than a drill bit. And then you put your key in there and just slide it in like that. You know, I'm not going to do it because it takes a little force to get it in there, but once you get it in there, it's not coming out. But right here, all these trick tabs are welded in, and you'll get the perforated steel. These are 1/2-inch holes. Very safe. You know, these are tough. You're not going to have anything poke through there and hurt you. So if you prefer to have open doors, I do sell those as a standard kit. It'll come with everything except these tabs and the inserts. It'll just be a tri-door standard set. Still comes with those pins, and like I said, if you have those pins, we can deduct the price of those pins and get you a set of doors. But here's the kit it comes with, and this piece of metal will be in there with the bushings, so you can set those bushings in. All you're doing is flaring the bottom part, and they won't come out. And just use a simple flaring tool, and this you just hang on to it. If you ever want to put your stock doors back on, you just swap this out again. And these are adjustable. These will be adjustable front and rear if you need to. And these latches are north and south, up and down. So you can adjust these. I'm going to have a video of how to adjust those. It's pretty simple, and just a few things you got to watch for, and you won't have a problem. But yeah, they just slam shut. Comes with a 1-year warranty on these latches. If anything happens to them, you send it back to me within a year. I'll send you a new one. That's about it. We worked with about 5 guys on this, designing it. I kept sending them pictures as I do something. They give me suggestions. We had 5 guys on this, and every one of them approved these. They said those are perfect, leave them alone, they're good. So now they're released. They're on ProSteelProducts.com. I'm going to swap these doors out with the standard Tri Bar doors so you can see what they look like on. It only takes a few minutes. I just lift up on that door, take the pins out, set the door down, put the other one back on. So let me get these doors off of there, and I'll show you what it looks like. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the standard Tri Bar tube door. It comes just like this. This Black River has been awesome. You want plenty of airflow, this is where you're going to get it. You want to be able to see while you're rock climbing, this is where you're going to get it. You want safety, this is where you're going to get it. Those are 095 bars, same as the premium, only you don't have all this insert, and that perforated steel is pretty pricey. But these real easy to open. They have the door stops, so they only go so far, same as the standard doors, your stock doors I should say. and got a slam latch. These things are pretty nice. They also come with my striker bar, my bump stop. You just swap this out just like the other one. The only difference between these two is it doesn't have the inserts. Those inserts are pretty expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but you get a lot with these doors. You get the bushings, the bronze bushings, the pins, this latch. This is a stainless steel pin, the same as the doors. It's never going to rust on you and probably never ever wear out. So these latches have been holding up real well for us. KRXs are hot. That's why I built these tube doors. I run the open doors. I'm probably going to run the perforated just to show them off, and the premium doors. And but I do like the airflow with these. They're pretty awesome and they look good. And they back up and give you a full shot of them. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. The lead times will be announced on the website, on the description. I'll put that in there. But all these doors are on sale for the whole month of September. To get them rolling, get them out there so people can see them. $100 off. Kind of sold in pairs. Get the pins with it, the striker bar, all ready to go. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.